Meow. Whoops. Oh, that wasn't supposed to do that. Glorious. All right, now we got most of the top layer off. We got just a little bit left on there. It's negligible. We're not worried about it. But what we are going to do is we're going to do a rot test. We want to see whether the floor is rotted. This is what it's supposed to do. Hammer on that, and not supposed to go in. Now we're going to go over by the toilet. Uh-oh. See, we got a problem here. This is not too bad back there. But look at that. We got right in this area here. We're going to have to replace some wood. So it's going to take some replacement going on here. We're going to have to replace wood. So I'm just going to dig my claw into there so I can find a floor joist so that we got something to work with. So we got one right there, and we kind of need to go figure out where one is over here and one is over here. So I'm going to tear a little bit more out of there. Okay, so we'll just put this back in here until it hits something. Nope, hits something. Assuming the floor joists are going that way. Alright, so that hit something way over there. 18 inches. Okay, so that's not good. That's not. It looks like maybe they run this way. We'll see. Let's see if we got a little bit harder to run it this way. But, okay, we got something here that's 10 inches this way. So that'll be good. Right on that line there is where we'll make a cut. And we'll just have to put a fake one in here. Can't really go this way. Let me see what I can feel here. I have to tear a little bit more away.
Dennis is destroying our bathroom floor.
Yes, is there a lot of dry rot in there?
Okay, so
A bit, not a lot,
Oh. What you got? You have your hand down the floor? Oh my goodness.
yikes. All right, so we need to do something different here. We need to take a picture so we can see what's underneath there. Turn our flash on. And let's see what we got.
Hope you don't see any rats.
You looking for bugs?
No. Just looking for joists. Floor
Oh,
joists.
okay.
Okay, so there's something. There's something down there running across. I don't know how far away that is. You got galvanized pipe going under there, and you got post and pier underneath there. Let's take some more pictures in other directions.
And I'm sure it's like a lake down there.
Huh? No, it looks pretty dry right here. I don't really know.
Oh. Awesome.
Did my phone just die? I think my phone just died.
Oh.
Okay, well anyway, I'll change the battery. My phone just died.
Let's have a service for it. May it rest in peace.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
That out too because it's bad. All right, so what we're going to do, because we have rotted floor in this section here where it typically is in the toilet, we're going to take a section out right here and replace it. So I've arbitrarily decided, since the floor joists underneath there are not standard at all, we're going to have to do some replacing and some jimming and stuff like that. So I'm just going to arbitrarily choose this point right here because I got some bad plywood there. Draw us a line from there to there. We'll use this as a line right here. And I think we'll come back to here, to this point. And then there's no rot back here, so I am just going to come, say, 7 inches out. We may change our minds, but for now we're coming 7 inches out. We're just going to cut a square out. So that's our square. We're right there. That's what we're taking out. Replace. Here we go.
Oh, is that the smoke? And no insulation underneath there. The only saving grace is that they used, well, 1 3/4 and a half, 1.25 inches worth of material there. So that's why you're not bouncing on your floor. So the crazy thing, even though it was 1.25 inches, it rotted through that whole thing. Wow.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put 2x6 here and a 2x6 there to build that up, and we'll put 2x4s right there. We've already got our floor joist here, so that'll square that in and enable us to replace that floor. A little bit too far, huh? Okay. Alright, so we're putting this 2x4 in there to kind of give it a little bit of extra strength. Yikes. Good job cutting that, man. I like them. I love to be liked by screws. Maybe you might want to hold that one. By 27 7/8. So we're making a circle. Our can lid is not tall enough, so we kind of put it in the center,
And this is unbelievable fancy. So this is going to be the bottom board. All we want to do is make sure that this board is big enough to fit in that hole. The other one will make it fit tighter because it's the top one. But we're just trying to, look at that. We got a round circle almost. Okay. What we discovered is that our toilet seat had a compression fitting on it, so we were able to take it off. We didn't realize that. I thought it was on there pretty firmly. So we took the compression fitting off. We cut a hole, so this is going to sit right on top of that, which is really the way it should be. And so the key for this is, if you look at it, see these two slots here? The way we got to line it up is we want to line it up so that you can put your toilet bolt right in there and scoot it over into place. And so they should be right across from each other, kind of parallel to the wall. And so this should be at the front, this should be at the back. So you need to adjust it into place. So we'll put our rag back down there and we're ready to screw it down.
Let's do it.
We're ready to do it. Oh, there's nothing there. Nothing there.